Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I got this microphone. It's by the company called Dizaul. Dizaul, Dizaul. And this microphone is a dynamic microphone, and it's very, very small. 55 millimeters small, and it has a nice grill on it, and it comes in 4 other colors. This one I got rose colored, and for a size comparison, here's my iPhone SE, and that's how small. Let me take it out. See, that's how small it is, and this will pick up very, very good sound. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. So yeah, and it comes with a microphone and headphone input, and it goes to 3.5 millimeter audio jack, so it can go to your iPhone or iPad. I use this on my iPad, so after this video, I'm going to show you that you hear the testing of this microphone. And so yeah, anyway, I'll catch you then later. Hey again, I'm actually using my microphone. So yeah, for the sound of this, it's actually pretty nice. I might actually use this as my microphone for my videos from now on. So yeah, I hope you like the sound from this little guy. You know, it's from size comparison again. That's pretty small. That is pretty small, and I know that someone will make a joke about this now, but I don't really care. Anyway, talk to you all later in the next video. See ya.